EasyFix Garage Door in Palm Desert, CA, offers reliable garage repair services. Our expert technicians specialize in repairing, replacing, and maintaining all types of garage doors. From broken springs to malfunctioning openers, we handle it all. Our priority is providing exceptional customer service and ensuring your garage door operates smoothly and safely. With competitive prices and prompt response times. Contact our garage repair services today for consultation. Are you looking for a garage repair services near me? You can stop looking. You found EasyFix Garage Door Repair. Is it good to leave your garage door cracked? Yes. Venting the garage can help make it cooler because the garage holds a ton of heat. What is the common problem of garage door? Noises coming from your garage door indicate an underlying issue. The presence of squeaking noises may indicate that the rollers require lubrication or are worn out. What is your garage repair services area for the Palm Desert, California office? Our local garage repair services has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Palm Desert, Sunfair, Chiriaco Summit, Borrego Springs, Anza, Hemet, Palm Springs, Yucca Valley, Desert Hot Springs, Morongo Valley, North Palm Springs, Desert Edge, Thousand Palms, Cathedral City, Cahuilla Hills, La Quinta, Cactus City, Indio, Coachella, California. Where is your Palm Desert, California garage repair services located? We are located at 74399 CA 111 Suite D, Palm Desert, California 92260. Our phone number is 760-354-9983. Visit our website, https://easyfixgaragedoor.com.